Philippine Navy Change of Command Retirement Ceremony for Vice Admiral Toribio D. Adasi Jr. Rojas Boulevard, Manila, November 15, 2024. Troughing the lines.
13, 1957 in Batac, Ilocos Norte. He is the only son of former President Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. and Imelda Romualdez Marcos. He is married to Miss Luisa Araneta, with whom he has 3 sons.
Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, ang kanyang taos-pusong pasasalamat sa parangal na ginawad natin sa kanya.
It is fully equipped with an active radar and countermeasure systems to improve the...
Ipinakita sa kanyang bagong acquire na mga top of the line na mga assets na na-acquire ng Navy. Sabi siguro ni PBBM, ang mga missile ban na ito ay makarating ng China. Yes, Mr. President, actually nakatotok yan sa Gorge Dam. Aba, may drone na pala tayo. Pinaka-high-tech yan, sir. Itong machine gun, hindi ba ito magbabackfire? Top of the line din yan, sir. Ito, sir, mga diving gear. O sige, please follow na lang ang aking Facebook page at i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel.